Let's have a look how we do this exercise on page 38. Let's have a look at the example. So we've got 時々コンビニでアイスクリームを買います。Now the key points here are we've got a time word to begin with, followed by no particle. That's because it's a non-specific time word, so it doesn't take any particle at all. Then we've got konbini de. Now de indicates that konbini, the word before de, is the place where an activity is taking place. That's our location particle de. So something's happening at the konbini, at the convenience store. Finally we've got ice cream o. And our object particle o tells us that word before ice cream is the object of our verb. In other words, if we ask a verb, what by what, the answer will be ice cream. Finally, at the end of our sentence, so we must put it at the end of the sentence, comes our verb. So we want a similar sentence. So we'll put a non-specific time. Let's see, let's try yoku. That means often. I wonder if that's going to come up for us. Yoku. Okay, that's often. And then we want to put by. Well, that goes at the end of the sentence, doesn't it? So we'll have a different verb at the end. Let's see, what could our verb be? Often I eat. How about we say eat? Eat something, eat hamburgers at the restaurant. How about that? So we want to put restaurant next. Restaurant. Remember, there's no T at the end. So yoku restaurant. Then it would be location particle de. Restaurant de. What are we going to eat? We're eating hamburgers, aren't we? Hamburger. Hamburger. Now that's the object of our verb to eat. Therefore, and we don't want that in hiragana, do we? Hamburger. We want that in katakana. There we go. Hamburger, it's what we're going to be eating, so that's our object. So it must be followed by object particle o. There we have it. And finally, I will eat. And we're keeping it in the present tense, aren't we? Because the example's in the present tense. Tabemasu. Let's change that to kanji. We know the kanji. There it is. And a full stop. Let's have a look at it. Yoku, often. Restaurant de, at the restaurant. Hamburger o tabemasu. So you need a time, followed by a place, particle de indicating at that place, followed by the object of the verb hamburger, or we might change that to something else, and then a different verb at the end. So you see if you can do some more on your own.